In this photojournal, I'm going to talk about my experiences shooting street photography with my Rolleiflex in Amsterdam. We woke up around 6 a.m. so we can catch the early tram going to the Van Gogh Museum. I took advantage of this beautiful garden with my beautiful model to shoot my first shot of the day. I used the built-in light meter on my Rolleiflex 3.5F. At that time, I didn't know if the light meter was working properly. I'm happy that it turned out okay, and I was extra happy that my light meter in my Rolleiflex was still functional. I shot this photo because I thought the baby looked cool riding on a bike with his dad like that. I don't know what happened to this photo. It looks like it's just a bad print from the lab. Anyways, I took this photo while waiting in line to get into the Van Gogh Museum. Same bad print like the last photo. I shot this on the 3rd floor looking over the Van Gogh Museum sign. I could not take any photos inside of the museum for obvious reasons. After the museum, we went to the famous canals of Amsterdam, watching people pass by on their boats. This is my favorite shot of the day. I love the white old building in the background, with the draping trees and the little girl cycling in the foreground, crossing the bridge looking over the canal. It really shows the springtime feel of the place. This is one of the reasons why I shoot color film.